From you wake up every morning, you's a winner, yeah.
What's going on, guys? It's your girl Raynecia in the ding, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, hey boo. Okay, so I had to refilm this intro because I made a mistake and deleted the footage from the actual video. In today's video, we're going to do a deep conditioner hunt series. I haven't done one in a very long time, and that's because I've been reusing all the deep conditioners that I featured in the series. So I've actually been using them more than once, getting a feel for them. If you know, you know. For my deep conditioner hunt series, there are deep conditioners that I have never tried before, so I try them out in front of you guys for the first time, tell you if I like them, what I like about them, what I don't like about them, and I test the claims. You guys know how we do it. We test the claims to see like what y'all talking about. Are you guys lying? Well, are they lying? Are they telling the truth? So that's how things go for my deep conditioner hunt. If you're new, but if you're not, you already know what to do. I still have a few deep conditioners that I haven't reviewed yet. If you guys remember that big Sally's haul I did, probably I don't know if it's going for 2 years, but probably almost. But yeah, I still have some of those deep conditioners that I haven't tried as yet. But yeah, let's get into the video that I did not delete. Praise God. Let go. In today's deep conditioner hunt, we are going to be reviewing a product that I haven't tried before. We have the Taliah Waajid Curls, Waves, Naturals, Repair and Restore Hair Strengthening Treatment Mask with shea butter, honey, and banana. So what does this deep conditioner claim to do? So this claims to repair your strands, restores hair elasticity, regulates ideal hair porosity for moisture retention, leaves hair soft and manageable. So they put their claims right in our face. They were ready. I love shea butter, honey, and banana on my hair. Let's read the directions, because people be out there not reading directions and expect a different result. Blah blah blah. Massage into hair. Let's sit for 20 minutes with or without a plastic cap. Okay, cool. So let's see what their first ingredients are. We have water, vegetable glycerin, shea butter, palm oil, soybean oil, coconut oil. I'm looking for this banana and honey. They're way down in the ingredients list, but we don't have a vast ingredient list. I feel like they're about, let's not go deep into that, but the honey and the banana is way down in the list. That's cool. Okay, so it doesn't have a glorious smell if you're really into scents and stuff like that. You guys already know how I feel about scents. I don't really care as long as you work on my hair. So it doesn't really have a scent at all. I'm gonna wet my hair, and you guys know how we do it. Massage that water into my hair, and I'm going to apply the deep conditioner on this full section and then break that section down some more if needed be. So yeah, it really doesn't have a smell for real. You guys know we test the first impression. Goes on pretty smooth. Yes. She has some slip. Okay, wait. I'm smelling the banana now. So the banana scent hits you after a while, but it's not too strong. But I'm smelling the banana. My hair needs some more water. Water, 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 water. So straight off the bat, very moisturizing. We have some slip. Wow, I don't even need to break this section down some more. Wow, and I probably don't need to use my Tangle Teezer either because my fingers are working quite fine. Okay, Taliah Waajid. Feel really good about this so far. I want to make sure you get up in that kitchen, which is quite coarse for me. You guys saw how easy that was to detangle. This is just this section because you guys know it's a different texture up here. So let's tackle up there. So as I get more up to the top, I like to break my sections down some more because, as I said, different texture. And this part of my hair is already dry already. So we're gonna have to spray a lot of water. A boom, 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 chakalaka. It's a girl Raynecia back on the scene, using a deep conditioner that's so mean, giving us moisture, giving us definition, giving us, okay, yeah, okay. Let's apply. So you guys saw how that went on. Drag it through my hair, make sure you get the scalp and smooth it down, girl. You better smooth down that hair. And I usually break it in half right here. Oh, them roots though. Pour some more water up in them roots because it's thick up in there. Oh, but it's still going on pretty good for this texture though. I am liking this so far. We're gonna see how this washes out. Will we retain the moisture? This process is usually so messy, but please deep condition your hair. Oh, I didn't describe the texture. The texture is more on the thicker side. This is the most kinkiest part of my hair. It doesn't retain moisture that well and it breaks easily. I'm gonna make sure to get the hair really wet, smooth that water in, get the roots, and glide that product down. Oh, if you guys see me making faces, because that section right there is tender. Okay, so I'm gonna apply the other side and I'm gonna stop talking now because I've been talking, you guys. Heads off. All done applying the deep conditioner. This is what my hair is looking like up on the hair. So we have some curl definition in all the textures of my hair. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 30 minutes. I'm gonna put on my shower cap. And when I deep condition my hair, I don't like to use a ponytail holder, just so that I can get all my hair deep conditioned up under here. Hold my hair in my hand, put the bag over. I released my hair while my hair was under the bag. Then I shaked my hair back so my hair can fill out inside there. I can tie it, but I like to use a ponytail holder. Yeah, that's how I put on my shower cap. I usually deep condition my hair with heat most times when I'm not feeling lazy. So I'm going to go under my hooded dryer. I just rinsed out my hair, so let's test these claims. Let's see what it's looking like. Feel my hair. Let me let you guys get a good look of my hair. We good? Okay, good. So first claim, did it repair my strands? I mean, my strands weren't sick or anything, but let's move on to the other one. Did it restore my hair's elasticity? Yes, it did. I'm feeling a lot of elasticity. Did it regulate my hair porosity for moisture retention? I definitely retained some moisture. And did it leave my hair soft and manageable? So my hair is soft and it is a hair strengthening treatment, so my hair does feel strong as well. It's not extremely soft. I feel like I have a balance between softness and moisture, so that's always good for a deep conditioner if that's what you want. So the deep conditioner definitely did what it said it was going to do. I didn't get amazing results, but it's pretty good. It's pretty decent. It's a deep conditioner that I would go for if I want moisture and strength. So that's pretty good. So now I'm going to prepare my hair to blow dry. I want to blow dry my hair, so stay tuned for that video. I'm just going to detangle my hair and put it into sections to prepare my hair for that. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye. Bye.